this video, we're going to take a look at a question that asks you to write the equation of the tangent line to the curve y equals sine x at x equals pi over 4. All right, so first thing that you need to do here, you need actually the point. The only thing they have given us up to here is the x value. I actually need a point if I'm going to write the equation of a line. I'm going to need the slope and a point. So I'm going to have to find my y coordinate. So I'm going to take the sine of pi over 4 and work it out. I'm plugging that pi over 4 into sine x. All right, and when I find the answer to that, which is the square root of 2 over 2, and then I will be able to write my point or ordered pair that's going to fall on this line, and that's going to be a pi over 4 and then a square root of 2 over 2. All right, now as my second step, then I am going to need to actually calculate the derivative. Okay, so I'm going to do y prime is equal to, hopefully at this point you have the derivative of sine x memorized as cosine x. So now I have my derivative. All right, now I'm going to plug in my x value into that derivative. So y prime of pi over 4. All right, plugging that in, I'll have the cosine of pi over 4. Cosine of pi over 4 is a square root of 2 over 2. And that is my slope at the given point that I am interested in. All right, now for my third and final step then, I can actually write the equation of that tangent line because I know both the point that's going to be on that line and I know the slope that's going to be on that line. So my equation in point slope form will be y minus the square root of 2 over 2 is equal to the square root of 2 over 2 times x minus pi over 4. All right, that will be the final answer. Now, since they did not say write it in any given form, then I would just automatically stop right there. It's in point slope form, and you know you're correct and you're not going to make any more mistakes by continuing to work and try to change it into a different form. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.